Let's go over UNM. Nice. Good return on this stock, 62% gain. I believe these guys are in the insurance business. Wow, look at that chart. Very good. Nice upward chart. Looks good. Unum Group, together with its subs, provides financial protection benefit solutions primarily in the U.S., United Kingdom, Poland. Internationally, it operates through Unum US, Colonial Life. Okay. So it's a financial services company doing insurance, life insurance. And it's doing quite well from a stock performance perspective. Beautiful. And it also pays a dividend. So you win two ways. The market cap's only 13 billion and the revenue is 12.8 billion. Insurance has been working, and what's impressive is this is pretty smooth and to the right, up and to the right. Very good stock. So the company, their growth on revenue, nothing like record breaking. It's just good growth, but like 3% last year, full year, 4.49% in the trailing 12 months, flat in 22, and it drops some in 21. Okay. Not very good margins. I'm going to compare it to the stock that I do own is Allstate. So Allstate issues out insurance, and they also they underwrite it. They're the ones taking the risk. Now let's see what their margins are. Gross margins are about even worse, and they actually had trouble in 22 and in 23. These guys, their margins are actually better, double that of Allstate. And the other company that is quite good is Progressive. And one more would be, so Chubb, that's the company that Warren Buffett started to invest in, insurance. Profit margin is better. Wow, Chubb's looking good. So Chubb has the best margins, and Unum is number 2, and then Allstate is number 3. This has been doing well, 23, not quite as well as is Unum. So Unum's been getting it done. Free cash flow, it's been somewhat consistent. And since it's a slow grower, I mean, I think they're fairly priced. Let me look at their balance sheet real quick, but I would have guessed that they're like worth 12 billion, 13 billion, because they're a slow grower. They're not like setting any records on the revenue growth. When we look at their balance sheet, make sure, actually, insurance companies, their debt could be different, but not in this case here. So cash 2.15 billion, and then debt 3.6 billion. So they have very little debt. They have a lot of EBITDA that they can pay off debt. This is a really solid company. Can they continue to go up? Absolutely. Are they reaching kind of a peak high? Yeah. They're operating really well. Margins are really good. I think if something's working, I wouldn't sell it, but it's up to you. What do you think is going to happen at Unum? I don't know the company really, really well, but I can tell you, I looked at it, a couple years back, and it looked okay. It's looking pretty good.